Guys, thank you for watching my video. Today I just want to show how I make my chicken soup, just fresh soup that I always make once in a while. So I want to show you the ingredients. So I have the whole chicken here. This is the chicken. It's a very big chicken. So I have some seasoning that I've blended earlier on. So I have garlic, some mixed herbs, ginger, and onions that I've mixed earlier on. And then I have this I will use 2 onions, this pepper, green one. I will use this seasoning, chicken tikka, and 1 Maggi. I'll use 3 carrots, spring onion, leeks, and tomatoes. Maybe I'll be using 4, and I'll use maybe half of tomatoes and broccoli that I will be using. So stay tuned. The chicken is done. Here's the chicken. It's cooked now. So I set it apart. This is all the veg ready to go in. This is the chicken stock. So I'm going to put everything in now. All the veg. Put the carrot. Potatoes, carrots will go first. Everything. I'll put the tomato sauce on. Have some veg here, broccoli and peas. That will go last. So I'll just leave this one for boil let me say 20 minutes. The veg is ready. I'm going to put the chicken back. And I'll put the veg now. last onion. Now, look delicious and healthy. Now I'll leave this one like for 5 minutes. The chicken soup is ready. As you can see, look healthy and delicious. I'm going to with the chicken and everything. Now I can eat this like this. If you like, you can just eat with rice as well, but there's potatoes in it, so I'm going to just eat it like this. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and press the bell sign, and then when I upload, then you'll see my video. Thank you for your support. I love you. Thank you. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.